Tesla eventually here is either going to drive up for a while or this is going to be crash city. I'm watching the overall market and I am watching VWAP like a hawk. My idea is when Tesla gets really heavy, which is going to be around this 163.50, I want to drive those puts back down to 162. And remember, 160 and 65 cents ish or close to is triple bottom support. Everybody remembers we discussed this from VIP and regular membership, right? SPY's on support, believe it or not, right now.
I got a strong support at 516.40.
Yeah, it could be. Let me take a look, partner.
I
Yeah,
got one at 517.17 and it bounced right off of it.
Yep. Thank you. Yeah, I got one. Yeah, 517.20-ish. Yep, you're right on that. Then we've got one 516.87, 516.50. Yeah, which is your 47, partner. That's your 47. Yep. And then 516. I mean, those are your levels right there on SPY. See them? If you are VIP members, VIP, look right here. See this? See this green? Thank you to our updated TradingView indicators, David and others that helped assist. Look at it. You see it?
Yeah, where do those come from?
Support.
I've been meaning to ask you.
Yeah, if you drew a line going out from SPY, that's its trend. That's a trend line. Yeah, absolutely. So if you guys look at this, you see this trending to the downside. This is the trend that it's following. See it? But do you guys see this trend line right here? This is what it hit. So if you looked at this, this is how it looks on our chart. See it? These are your two green lines. This one and this one. See them?